day, my friends and fellow collectors. This is Red Apple 921 again, and welcome to another Funko Pop unboxing. And today, I'm going to share with you a Funko Pop Hero line. And the figure that I'm going to share with you is tada! Injustice, God Among Us, Doomsday. But before we do the unboxing, let's take a quick look at the artwork of the box. Here you can see the signature window display box of the Funko Pop. Here you can see the iconic logo of the Pop. Then the title, where the figure is based on the Injustice Gods Among Us 408. Then you can see here the 3D promo of Doomsday, then the name Doomsday, and this is a special edition sticker. I think the US sticker is Walgreens. Then the other side, Pop DC Doomsday 408. At the back, you can see the half body 3D promo photo of Doomsday. And DC Superhero Injustice Among Us. Then on the other side, the whole body. I like the backdrop of the photo. Then top and bottom. Now guys, for a quick and fast unboxing, let's do this now. Tada! Now, let's take a closer look at the figure. Oh guys, it's heavy. So heavy. And here you can see the iconic design of the Pop, the big head and the big round eyes. Look at the detail. Look at the face, the red eyes. Look at the teeth of Doomsday. Look at the detail of the how do they call this one, the spike. Look at the hair, the braided hair, so nice, nicely done. I also love the color, it's great. Look at the body structure, see, so nice. Look at the detail of the hands. Look at the claw there, so nice, nicely done, well detailed. It's not a lazy Pop. Look at the detail, well detailed, well made. I believe this is the first Injustice figure that Funko Pop produced. So nice. Look at this muscle structure. So nice. Look at the elbow. Nicely done. Then I guess that's it guys. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get the latest unboxing. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please stay safe and God bless.